Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best butcher twine is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools in any kitchen, whether you're a professional chef or a home cook looking to elevate your culinary creations, offering unparalleled strength and reliability for everything from trussing poultry to securing roasts and presenting your dishes with a professional touch, ensuring your food stays perfectly shaped and cooked evenly every time. Number 5. Tenn red and white cotton twine. Crafted from high-grade cotton, this twine is both safe and environmentally friendly. Its premium material ensures durability for all your projects. With a total length of 656 feet, 200 meters, and a convenient 2 millimeters diameter, you'll have plenty to work with. It's designed to be easy to handle and use. This versatile twine is ideal for a wide range of uses. It's perfect for baking, securing meats, and adding a festive touch to gift wrapping. Unleash your creativity with this twine, perfect for arts and crafts, floristry, and creating beautiful holiday decorations. It's also great for school projects and bookbinding. It comes conveniently packed on a coil, preventing tangles and making it easy to store and access whenever you need it. Enjoy hassle-free crafting and decorating. What we like. This twine is made from high-quality cotton, offering a generous 656 feet of length. It's also conveniently packed on a coil to prevent tangles. If you're looking for a reliable and abundant supply for baking, crafting, or gift wrapping, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This butcher twine is made of 100% cotton, making it food safe and durable for all your cooking needs. The twine has a good thickness and strength, perfect for trussing poultry or tying roasts. It comes in a generous length, providing plenty of twine for multiple uses without running out quickly. Number 4. Bright Creations 5mm Twisted Jute Rope. Discover the rustic charm of this twisted rope, perfect for all your arts and crafts. It's soft yet strong, making it ideal for home decor, gift wrapping, and beautiful DIY creations. This thick twine is perfect for tying gifts, embellishing decor, and adding elegance to your party decorations. It's a versatile addition to any crafting project. Crafted from high-quality jute, this thick twine string offers a natural and excellent alternative to synthetic fibers. It's the ideal choice for all your rope projects. Measuring 5mm thick, this nautical craft rope comes on a convenient spool. Its size is perfect for a wide range of DIY projects, from crafts to decorations. With 100 feet of brown twine, you have plenty to work with for all your creative endeavors. Explore your creativity with this beautiful, heavyweight jute twine. What we like. Crafted from premium jute, this rope is both soft and strong, with a rustic charm. Its 5mm thickness makes it ideal for decorative purposes and sturdy enough for various craft projects. If you appreciate natural materials and a thicker twine for your DIY decor and gift embellishments, this is the one for you. What people say. This butcher twine is made of 100% cotton, making it food safe and perfect for all your culinary needs. The twine is strong and durable, able to hold up to 20 pounds of weight, ensuring your roasts stay securely tied. It comes in a convenient dispenser box, which makes it easy to cut to the desired length without tangling. Number 3. Norpro Stainless Steel Holder with Cotton Cooking Twine. Introducing the Norpro Stainless Steel Holder with Cotton Cooking Twine. This stylish holder keeps your cooking twine clean, untangled, and always ready for your next culinary creation. It comes with 220 feet of food-safe, unbleached, natural 100% cotton twine. This versatile kitchen essential is perfect for a multitude of tasks. Use it to truss or tie up poultry and meats for rotisserie, oven, or grilling. It's ideal for holding stuffed chicken breasts and meat roll-ups securely. Its uses extend beyond cooking, tie herb bouquets or secure parcels and gift tags. It's also great for bundling newspapers for recycling. This indispensable tool ensures your twine is always accessible and neat. Keep it away from open flames for safe and effective use. What we like. This option comes with a stylish stainless steel holder that keeps the twine clean and untangled. The included 220 feet of food-safe, unbleached cotton twine is perfect for culinary tasks. If you value organization and convenience in your kitchen for trussing meats or other cooking preparations, this set is a great pick. What people say. It is strong and holds up well for tying up plants in the garden. This twine is perfect for baking, it's food safe and doesn't fray easily. Great for crafts and gift wrapping, very durable and easy to cut. Number 2. Librett Durables Butcher's Twine. Introducing our premium Butcher's Twine, crafted from 100% all-natural cotton. It's perfect for all your culinary needs, from trussing meats to creating charcuterie. Secure your roasts, stuff your poultry, or prepare sausages with ease. This twine is your reliable kitchen companion for a variety of cooking techniques. Proudly made in the USA, our twine is food safe and oven safe. You can trust its quality for all your cooking and baking endeavors. With 370 feet of durable twine, you'll have more than enough for any recipe. It provides excellent value and long-lasting use. Our twine is not only functional but also environmentally conscious. It is fully biodegradable and compostable, making it a sustainable choice for your kitchen. What we like. Made from 100% all-natural cotton in the USA, this twine is both food and oven safe. It offers a substantial 370 feet of length and is fully biodegradable. If you're a serious home cook or charcuterie enthusiast who needs a reliable, eco-friendly twine for trussing, stuffing, and smoking meats, this is your go-to. What people say. This butcher twine is made of 100% cotton, making it food safe and durable for all your cooking needs. The twine has a good thickness and strength, perfect for trussing poultry or tying roasts. It comes in a generous length, so you won't run out quickly, and it's easy to cut and handle. Number 1. Librett Durables Cotton Butcher's Twine. Introducing the essential kitchen tool for all your culinary needs. This twine is designed for both professional chefs and home cooks alike. From trussing meats and stuffing poultry to forming roasts and crafting charcuterie, this twine is incredibly versatile. It's perfect for sausages, smoking, and curing. Securely truss your chicken for brining or your turkey for roasting. It's also ideal for shaping crown roasts, bacon-wrapped fillets, or even game meats. Crafted from 100% all-natural cotton, this twine is not only durable but also food and oven safe. It's proudly made in the USA. You get a generous 185 feet of twine, ensuring you have plenty for any task. Plus, it's fully biodegradable and compostable, making it an eco-conscious choice. What we like. This twine is also made from 100% all-natural cotton, is food and oven safe, and biodegradable. It provides 185 feet of length, perfect for various culinary and crafting needs. If you need a dependable, eco-conscious twine for smaller projects or for those who prefer a more manageable length, this is a solid choice. What people say. This butcher twine is strong and durable, perfect for tying roasts and other meats. The twine is made of 100% cotton, making it food safe and easy to use. It comes in a convenient dispenser box, which keeps the twine neat and tangle-free. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.